Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install new Relic browser for UX Analytics, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install new Relic browser for UX Analytics, start by logging into your new Relic account. Navigate to the new Relic browser dashboard. Click on the Add More Data option. Select Browser from the available monitoring options. You will be presented with different installation methods. For a web application, choose the method that fits your technology stack. If you're using a modern front-end framework, consider using the JavaScript snippet. Copy the provided JavaScript snippet to your clipboard. Now, go to your web application codebase. Locate the head section of your HTML file. Paste the JavaScript snippet right before the closing /head tag. Save your changes. Next, deploy your updated code to your web server. Visit your website to verify that the new Relic browser script is loading correctly. Return to the new Relic browser dashboard. After a few minutes, you should start seeing data appear. Explore the various analytics features to better understand user experience. You can set up alerts for specific performance thresholds. Consider integrating with other new Relic products for enhanced monitoring. Regularly check your dashboard to assess user engagement and application performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.